In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Looker Studio. This is perfect when you're preparing a draft page, phasing out an old section, or simply keeping work in progress content out of your viewer's way while you build. We'll walk through the exact controls that make a page invisible to viewers while keeping it fully accessible to you and other editors. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser and heading to your reporting home. From there, open the report you want to adjust. When the report loads, switch into edit mode so you can access all the configuration options. You'll know you're in the right place when the full toolbar appears across the top of the screen. Next, look to the top menu and click Page. In that dropdown, choose Manage Pages. This opens the page manager, typically on the right side of the screen, where you can see a list of every page in your report. Find the page you want to hide in that list. Hover over it and click the three-dot More menu to reveal additional options specific to that page. From the menu, select Control Visibility. A panel will appear with visibility settings that apply to viewers. Choose the option that says Always Hide the Page for all viewers in the view mode. This setting ensures the page won't show up in the navigation or be visible when someone is viewing the report, even though it remains present and editable for you. Confirm your choice to finalize the change. A few helpful notes as you do this. Hiding a page only affects view mode. Editors with access can still open and work on the page in edit mode. This makes it ideal for staging content, testing new data sources, or keeping seasonal pages on standby without deleting them. Your report structure stays intact, and you can bring a page back whenever you're ready by returning to the same visibility control and changing the selection. Also, Looker Studio typically saves these changes automatically, so you don't need to publish anything extra for the setting to take effect. Viewers will simply no longer see the hidden page as they navigate the report. That's it. By using the Page menu, Manage Pages, the three-dot More menu, Control Visibility, and confirming the Always Hide option, you can cleanly remove a page from viewer-facing navigation while keeping your workflow efficient behind the scenes.